One of the common questions we get is what is the difference between a standing charge and a unit rate? A standing charge is pretty much for the upkeep of your meter. So it includes costs for the transport of your energy from a power plant, for example, into your own home. And then the unit rate is actually just cost of that specific kilowatt of energy. When you do sign on to a fixed tariff, it's your unit rate and your standing charges are fixed. However, because obviously you'll be using different amounts of your energy every month, it may necessarily not mean that you'll pay the same amount of money every month. It all depends on the actual usage itself. On your invoices, there's actually a couple of places you can look. You can normally see it all on the second page. It gives you a breakdown of each charges.